Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be reacting to your renders, and yeah, let's see what we find. So the first one here is from Moy Bear Reaper Golden Block. So it is his avatar, I'm assuming, or Golden Block somebody else. That could be him. Let me check. Yeah, I think so. So the wood background, the floor, one thing I can see is the light is pointed awkwardly, so I'm assuming your light is like right here. Let me show you guys an example. I'm assuming it's like right here. Your specular here is high, so it makes the thing look washed out, the texture, and the character also looks flat. So if you learn to adjust your materials and textures better, and also how to adjust your lighting, this will turn out far better. Yeah, next is from the reindeer. I really like this right here. The only thing I can say is the puddles in the background seem a bit repetitive. You can see the noise texture, the whole thing just kind of repeats itself over here. So yeah, that's the only thing I can really say about that. Eye rocks, this is amazing. I like this a lot, this effect. I've not seen many like this at all. If you guys want a tutorial on really highly edited GFX effects like this, I think this will be a fun video to make. So drop a like, a comment if you would like to see that. So next we have aquatic pools. We have this girl sitting on a ducky. We have this guy diving in. I like the water. The water is nice. The birds. Okay, the birds look gigantic because they look like they are the same distance as the Ferris wheel, except they are the same size as each section, each car here, which they look gigantic. So yeah, if you could, I would fix the size or just put it somewhere else. Commission for the one and only Miracle Drops Roblox. Shop now. You got some ads here. Which one do I like the most? I gotta say, I like these two the best right here. These two. Commission for Burger Dash. This is actually really nice. The only thing I would do is I would make the character stand out a bit more and possibly blur the background, maybe. Alright, so let's keep going and see what we have up here. We got a lot of conversation. Alright, we got some cool logos here. Flowy. Here's a cool little icon. I like the 3D here. You did right there. Roblox Bed Wars, pink, it's a lot of pink right there. What else do we have? Recent GFX stuff I made, soft GB renders right here. Sword Slayers. I suggest you find some better effects. You could go to gfxcomment.com and get the 7K pack for free, and you will have some much better lightning effects for that. So Air Force Academy, I don't think the background fits. It should be a dark, if this was a dark gradient background with this light thing, this would look incredible. So I would fix that. A thumbnail made for Puppy Rhyme 1 for his latest game. Only thing I can say for this one that I think will make it a lot better is if you see like smoke in the back with the buildings. If you have some dust and smoke flying like here in the foreground and some over here, and some debris, dust flying around, I think if you can picture what I'm picturing, I think that would look super cool. Because this right here, like, obviously is very dusty, sandy, or whatever you want to call it. There should be some smoke here, right? Because this left half looks a bit empty, as opposed to the right half. There's a lot of action here. So yeah, some smoke, the whole thing will just go together, and the composition will look a lot better. But something I did for fun. Here's a nice little tree. I know you probably just picked a random tree, but if this was like a cherry blossom tree, I think this would be super cool. So if you can imagine, visualize this being like a giant cherry blossom tree, and some petals, flower petals, just falling off, maybe on the ground here as well, and then some volumetric lighting. Yeah, I think that'd be super cool. Next, anyways, what else do we have here? Alright, let's read this. Do you know if Edmund is making a reacting to a GFX video, or is a UI video it? Because he said he's making a reacting video in announcements. So I was wondering if the UI video is the one, or he's still making the I assume GFX video. Right. He's making others too, for renders and art, etc. Right? Yes sir. Alright. Yeah, that's what I am doing right now. Spent 50 minutes for this. It's quite a long time, but these effects aren't great. I would not suggest you use these, but appreciate the post here. These are nice. I will use these. It's pretty cool. Some cool icons here from Enchanted. It's a personal artwork I did for myself. The background is a bit cluttered. It could use some work, but I like the character here. These are really shiny characters. This one is super metallic. Jeez. I'm not saying it's bad though, but it's just really shiny. Like that. These characters are made out of metal. This one's this one's funny. Breaking Bad. It's just this face really just caught me off guard. This is a really funny face. I think I'm gonna use this for the thumbnail because this one is just hilarious. From Fun Leader 179, I present to you perhaps the best render I've ever made. Let's check it out. Alright, we got the 3D clothing going on here. Some nice photo color editing stuff. The little flowers here, these trees. Yeah, it's a great piece of work. We got a military scene. The terrain could use some work. Right here, you should add smoke and stuff and figure out a way to make the background more appealing. But it's mainly the floor because it's like pretty much half of the entire artwork here. Some pretty cool stuff here with the US flag. Oh, I like these right here. These are nice. This one is cool. These are pretty clean. Great job on those. What else do we have? Let's see what else we have. I've seen these earlier, I think. Alright, we have Amelia Supreme Akasa made in one day. I had a lot of fun making this full quality. Here is a raw render and it is transformed into this. Yeah, for anime artwork, this is amazing. It's just maybe this is a bit too bright. It's just pretty much nearly completely white right here. Yeah, that's the only thing I would say. I think that will do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. I know you guys enjoyed the UI video, so if you guys would like me to react to more of your work, and you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to comment it down below. And yeah, with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.